Yes, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here we are at downtown, beautiful Stanwell Tops, New South Wales, Australia, on Lawrence Hargrave Drive. We let the traffic pass, but look, we have a deer, and it's a female deer, a doe, a female deer. Anyway, yes, wandering around, and a beautiful scene of nature at night, picked up by security cameras. Oh, here it comes. I got a little bit scared of the traffic there. So this deer, being somewhat mature, decides to have a little forage around for food. But the deer runs off because of the sound. But look, we have another deer, a little deer, a fawn. And that goes down to the road, starts crossing, and then magically disappears somewhere there. And meanwhile, an ant crosses the lanes. Thank you, go away. And more traffic come down. And then the little deer so cutely decides to wander into the we see what follows with the hold-up of traffic, and the emergency vehicles come down to sort out the mess. So please watch this. This only takes a few minutes, and with some of it speeded up, so you can see and get the good idea of what goes on. Thank you. Oh, and by the way, no one was hurt.
Yeah, I know. I grew up in Sydney too. No worries.
So thanks to all the first responders and the emergency and rescue vehicles that arrived and made everything safe. So be careful when you're driving in this area in New South Wales. You never know what may be crossing the road that could cause an accident.